Hello friends, today I have another unboxing and this is from Desert Farm Company and I only ordered a few things, so this will be quick. First thing that I ordered, I hope it comes out easily. I might have to come back with it all unwrapped because she packaged them so nicely. I'll be back. Alright, here's what we have. We have this bath bomb right here. You guys already know who this is. I'm not even going to mention it. It is for my granddaughter. It's so cute. Perfectly done. Love it. The next bath bomb we have is Rainbow Bridge. I just thought it was cute. Oops, sorry about that. I just thought it was cute, so I decided I would get it for whatever reason. And then this last one, it's just a bath crumble. And I like the starfish in there and that it was such a big package of bath crumble. So it's basically like you get a bath bomb and then extra. This is 11 ounces, which is great. The scent is mermaid and it's just cute. So I also got a card. It is a thank you card and thank you for your order. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Thank you, Lisette. So again, I got this bath bomb here. We have this dog paw here that's called Rainbow Bridge. And then this bag of a lot of bath crumble with a starfish. Looks shimmery in there. And that's all for Desert Farm Company. Talk to you guys on the next one.